They have lived together for 4 years and consider themselves a married couple. But because of the law in their home state, they are not allowed to legally wed. They were completely happy with one another and did everything they could to achieve the legal status that heterosexual couples had. They applied for legal domestic partnership and everything else they could possibly do. However, one day, Mark had a heart attack and was rushed to the hospital. After following the ambulance all the way there, the hospital would not allow Joe to see Mark or ask the doctors about Mark's condition because he was not considered family. Mark was left alone all night. The next morning, when his mother finally arrived, they said that he was only alive because he was on a breathing tube, but she specifically told Joe that he did not want. Mark died that evening. He never woke up. Even though this happy couple had been together for 4 years and had proof to back it up, their rights were taken from them. Because of this, Joe was not able to see Mark in the last moments of his life. I believe same-sex marriage, like Joe and Mark, or same-sex couples like Joe and Mark, should be able to legally wed all across the United States. It's not right that their rights are denied from them, just like many other rights. The discrimination against same-sex marriage is unethical and wrong. It is a form of minority discrimination. According to the website Balance Politics, an argument written by Joe Mazzurli states that America was founded on the concept that majority rules and that the rights of minorities should be protected. It is the main reason we have the Bill of Rights and also the Anti-Slavery and Equal Protection Amendments. Denying marriage to homosexual couples is no different than denying marriage to Hispanics or blacks, as you can see in this illustration I found. Heterosexual couples should not be denied marriage for having different sexual orientations. They are people just like us. Only a few states in the United States allow same-sex marriage. According to this graphic by Danny Doherty, it shows that the only states that allow same-sex marriage are Massachusetts, Connecticut, Iowa, Vermont, Maine, and recently New Hampshire. It also shows that 2 states allow same-sex couples to enter civil unions, which are legal recognition unions similar to marriage, and 6 states allow same-sex couples to register as domestic partners just like Joe and Mark did in the story. In the second part of this picture, it shows that 30 states have constitutional amendments prohibiting same-sex marriage, and 36 states have laws prohibiting same-sex marriage. Another reason why same-sex marriage should be legal is because according to an article written by Ellen Fredericks, right now gays are actually denied 1,138 rights that are given to heterosexuals. Some of these include joint taxes, where they cannot file taxes jointly so their taxes become higher. Property taxes. Partners must pay property taxes when transferring property between spouses. Social Security, the partners are not eligible to receive their spouse's Social Security pension and many other government benefits. Hospital visitation rights and medical decisions, just like in the story, Ray and Joe. Couples do not have the legal right to visit a spouse or make treatment decisions for their partner. Job security. In a majority of states, it was found that employees can be fired for being gay. Love is all that matters. If homosexual couples want to be able to formally honor their partner, they should be able to. It doesn't hurt anyone. It really shouldn't even be debated. According to an article titled "Society Should Allow Same-Sex Marriage" by Ralph Wedgwood, it states that same-sex marriages would clearly not deprive anyone else of any important benefits of marriage, and would not fundamentally change its definition of intimacy, shared household, mutual commitment, and so on. According to another article titled "Same-Sex Marriage Should Be Allowed" by Heather Ann Gannon, it states that the ability to love and commit to another person is the right that all people have. It is not something that can be granted to us and cannot be taken away from us. I strongly believe in this statement and that same-sex marriage should be legal. In conclusion, there is no reason gay couples should be not able to wed. or be denied many rights that heterosexual couples are entitled to. It does not matter if you are gay or straight. If you do not believe in same-sex marriage, then simply don't marry someone of the same sex. It does not matter what path you choose, as long as you're happy in your choice. Too many people get involved in other people's lives and want to cause a commotion, but this topic should not even be debated. It hurts nobody. For Ray and Joe, this issue was a terrible injustice. Society should not dictate what two individuals feel about each other and how they can act upon it. Love is really the only thing that matters. Any questions? Yes?
What's the difference